In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or update logo in Calendly. By the end, your scheduling pages will reflect your brand with a clean, professional logo, and you'll know exactly where to make changes in the future. Start by heading to Calendly in your browser and open your scheduling dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click the profile icon. Depending on your account, this might appear as your initials or a small avatar. That opens a menu with account level options. From here, select branding. This is the area where you control visual elements that appear on your booking pages, including your logo. On the branding page, you'll see options related to how your brand displays. If you're managing branding for a team, you'll notice an option to apply your branding to all users in your organization. Click Apply to all users in your organization if you want the logo change to be consistent across everyone's scheduling pages. If you don't manage a team or you don't see this option, you can simply continue with your own branding settings. Next, click Upload Image. This opens a file picker on your computer. Choose the logo file you want to use and then click Open. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution image. A square logo tends to crop most predictably, and a PNG with a transparent background often looks the cleanest on light or dark pages. If you're replacing an existing logo, make sure the new file name is easy to recognize so you don't accidentally select the wrong one. After the image uploads, you'll be prompted to crop it. Use the crop handles to frame your logo so it's centered and not cut off at the edges. Leave a bit of breathing room around the perimeter to avoid clipping on small screens. If your logo has fine details, zoom in within the cropper to ensure everything remains crisp and legible. When you like the framing, click Apply to confirm the crop. You'll now see a preview of how the logo will appear. Take a moment to verify it looks right on the page. Finally, click Save Changes. This step locks in your update so it appears on live scheduling links. Give it a second to process, then open one of your event links in a new tab to confirm the new logo is displaying as expected. That's it. You've successfully added or updated your logo in Calendly. If branding needs evolve, just return to the same branding area and repeat these steps.